If you're looking for a free and legal way to watch live TV without paying for cable, Stirr is one of the streaming services worth trying in 2026. It offers a variety of live channels, local news in selected markets, movies, TV shows, sports highlights, and lifestyle programming, all supported by ads and available without a monthly subscription. In this guide, I'll show you how to start watching free live TV with Stirr. Let's get started. The first step is to access Stirr. You can watch through the official website or download the app on supported devices, including Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Android TV, Google TV, Android phones, and iPhones. The service is free to use, so you don't need to purchase a subscription before you begin watching. Once you open the platform, you'll have immediate access to its live channel lineup. Stirr offers channels covering news, entertainment, movies, comedy, lifestyle, travel, sports-related programming, music, classic television, documentaries, and kids' content. The available channels can change over time as new content partners are added. One of Stirr's unique features is its local programming. In selected cities across the United States, the service provides local news, weather updates, and community coverage through participating Sinclair television stations. If local programming is available in your area, Stirr will automatically display the appropriate channels. Using the platform is very simple. You can browse the live TV guide to see what's currently playing, explore different categories, or search for content that interests you. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it simple for new users to find something to watch within minutes. Besides live television, Stirr also includes a collection of free on-demand movies and TV shows. While its library isn't as large as some competing streaming services, you can still find action movies, comedies, documentaries, classic TV series, and other entertainment that you can watch whenever you want. Like most free streaming platforms, Stirr is supported by advertisements. You'll see occasional commercial breaks during both live channels and on-demand content, but there are no subscription fees, contracts, or hidden costs. For the best streaming experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection. A reliable Wi-Fi connection will help reduce buffering and provide smoother playback, especially when streaming HD content on larger screens. It's also important to remember that content availability depends on your location. Some channels, especially local news stations, are only available in selected markets within the United States. If you're outside a supported region, your channel lineup may be different. So, is Stirr worth using in 2026? If you're looking for a completely free way to watch live TV, local news, movies, and on-demand content, the answer is yes. While it may not offer as many channels as some larger streaming services, Stirr remains a solid option for viewers who want legal, free entertainment without paying for cable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which free live TV service you use the most.